I love giving homemade gifts for Christmas because it's thoughtful and unique. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to package our delicious mulled wine and shortbread recipes that would be the perfect gift for your loved ones this Christmas. It's easy and it's affordable. So let's get to it. So first, we're going to show you how to package mulled wine as a gift.
So what you'll need is your wine, spices. To hold your spices, you'll need disposable piping bags, a wine bag, decorative ribbon, a tag, and our tag printout. Download link is in the video description.
So I got all of my packaging in the Euro shop, which is the pound shop or the dollar store. So this is all really affordable. There's no need to go out and buy really expensive packaging. So this is our handy little DIY tag. There's a QR code on there that can take you straight to the website for the recipe. To bag the spices, I picked up these handy little bags. So I'm just gonna fill it up and then trim it off. Now I'm gonna tie it off with some ribbon. Just trim off any excess of your bag. Look how cute that is. Really happy with that. And I'm going to attach it to this lovely cheap little wine bottle charm that I got and attach it to the neck of the bottle. And then just attach your tag. There we have it. Really easy, affordable, and it looks so cute. Now I'm going to pop it in my wine bag and add some tissue paper. And there we have our mulled wine, all ready for Christmas. When you buy ingredients for Tradish recipes, make sure to sign up to Amazon Prime. Get a 30-day trial for free next day delivery. Link is in the description. Now moving on to our shortbread.
You'll need a box, tissue paper, ribbon, your tag with our tag printout, and the shortbread itself. See our shortbread recipe in the video's description.
Now cut this out and glue it to the back of a tag. Now that's done. Moving on to bagging our shortbread. Probably going to use a couple of these. Now once you have it well wrapped, just put some tissue paper or whatever you want to put into your box.
And then pop your shortbread on top.
Now you need to put on some decorative ribbon. And then tie on your tag. And there we have our lovely shortbread and our mulled wine. It's a little bit tacky, but you have to have some tackiness at Christmas. Now our mulled wine is a mulled wine starter kit. And on the tag, it has a link to the recipe on tradish.net where they can make it themselves. It also includes on the tag what they need, like citrus fruit and sweetener in order to make their mulled wine themselves. And our shortbread is just our homemade shortbread with a link to the recipe where they can make it again themselves if they want, or they can share it with a loved one. But these were just some easy and inexpensive ideas for how you can package your homemade gifts. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this for Christmas and how it turned out. I hope you guys loved it and keep it tradish.